What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Colbert, Colbert Tech Repair, where you get everything tech, news, gaming, and nerd related. And today we have another Magic the Gathering opening. This is a fat pack of WorldWake. So I have two of these fat packs. I am opening one now, and one probably in a couple days. What are we looking for out of this set? Well, we're looking for the Planeswalker, Jace the Mind Sculptor, and Stoneforge Mystic, along with a foil. A foil Jace the Mind Sculptor right now is around $600. So, if we could get that, that'd be pretty sweet. I'll tell you that much. But let me get the wrapper off here. Slide this out of here. Inside the box you get your player's guide, which shows you all the cards in the set. You also get, I believe, yes, you get an intro chapter to one of the books. This is In the Teeth of a Coom sample chapter, which I think is pretty cool. Get useless cardboard. I think it comes with 8 boosters. You get 40 Zendikar basic lands, which are about $1 to $1.50. So that's about 80 bucks just right there. And you also get a die with the WorldWake symbol. This is a white die. So I'm going to go straight to the uncommons and the rares. Just because I know you guys don't want to sit through an hour-long video. So we have 2, 3, 4... 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's money right there. So, without further ado, let's get into pack number 1. Let's zoom in here. See if I can get a better focus. Alright, I'm going to go straight to the uncommons. Alrighty. We have Summit Apes, Ruin Ghost, Ricochet Trap, and a rare is a Stone Idol Trap. Stone Idol Trap is a 6-cost instant. Stone Idol Trap costs 1 less for each attacking creature. Puts a 6/12 colorless construct artifact with trample onto the battlefield. Exile it at the beginning of your next end step. We have a soldier token and a full art island. On to pack number 2. So like I said, we're looking for a Jace the Mind Sculptor. These packs are really hard to open. A Stoneforge Mystic. And any kind of foils we might find along the way would be nice. Alrighty. Let me move these over here. We have a Smother, had a Free Blade, a Tectonic Edge, and a rare is a Strength of Tajuru. It's an X1/1 or an X2 with multi-kicker 1. Choose target creature, then choose another target creature for each time Strength of Tajuru was kicked. Put X +1/+1 counters on each of them. We have a plant token and a mountain. So guys, like I said before, if you If you came here for the magic and you want to see some awesome tech videos, or if you came here for the tech videos and you want to see some other awesome Magic the Gathering pulls, check out my other videos. I have a full playlist for Magic the Gathering and a playlist for all my tech reviews. We have a Tide Force Elemental, a Canopy Cover, a Tectonic Edge, and a rare is a Raging Ravine. Raging Ravine's worth about $8 right now. It enters battlefield tap to add a green or a red. You can pay 4, and until end of turn it becomes a 3/3 red and green elemental token with whenever this creature attacks, put a +1/+1 counter on it. It is still a land. We get a tip card, which is useless, and a mountain. So that's our first sort of money card. Not really what we're looking for exactly, but money is money. It's still a dual land. No foils yet, surprisingly. Alright, we have a leather-backed Baloth, a Refraction Trap, a Shoreline Salvager, and a rare is a Green Occultist. It's a 3-drop creature. With tap, put target creature from your opponent's graveyard onto the battlefield under your control. If its converted mana cost is less than or equal to the number of allies you control. We have an elephant token and a plains. 4 packs left, guys. Are we gonna find the mythical foil Jace the Mind Sculptor? His price did go down after they reprinted him in the from the Vault 20. Which I also own, but he's still about a $600 card. So we have Leatherback Baloth, Razor Boomerang, Sergi Merfolk, and a rare is a Marshal's Anthem. Marshal's Anthem is a 4-drop enchantment with multi-kicker of 2. Creatures you control get +1/+1, and when it enters the battlefield, return up to X target creature cards from your graveyard to the battlefield, where X was the number of times it was kicked. We do have a foil. We have a tip card, a swamp, and we have a foil Sergi Merfolk. I saw foil blue. I started thinking, oh shit. But nope. So our first foil. Alrighty. Our first uncommon, we have an Urge to Feed, a Vastwood Agent, a Quest for the Goblin Lord, and a rare is an Amulet of Vigor. Shut up! Amulet of Vigor is a 1-drop artifact. When a permanent enters the battlefield tapped under your control, untap it. We have a tip card and a swamp. 2 packs left, guys. Alright. We have a Vapor Snare, Slavering Knolls, Slingbow Trap, and a rare is another Amulet of Vigor. That's kind of shitty. Get 2 of those back to back. And finally, our last pack of this fat pack, anyway. We have a Hated Freeblade, a Voyager Drake, a Tectonic Edge, and a rare. Hey, there we go. A Stoneforge Mystic. Stoneforge Mystic is worth about $30 right now. It's a 2-drop. When it enters the battlefield, you may search your library for an equipment card, reveal it, and put it into your hand. Then shuffle your library. Pay 2 and tap, and put an equipment card from your hand onto the battlefield. We do have a foil also. I have a tip card, a forest, and a second foil Searchy Merfolk. That was a very, very weird fat pack. But the money cards we pulled about $40 worth out of this fat pack. So not the greatest. Stoneforge Mystic, a Raging Ravine. But like I said, I have another fat pack that I'm going to be opening shortly, and you will see uploaded whenever it gets uploaded. Alright guys, this has been Colbert Tech Repair with a WorldWake unboxing. With a WorldWake Fat Pack unboxing. If you liked, give it a like. If you didn't, feel free to give it a dislike. Like I said, if you're here for the magic and want to see tech, or if you're here for the tech and want to see more magic, feel free to check out my other playlist where you can see everything else I do on this channel. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section down below. You can find me here on YouTube. You can find me on Twitter at TanColbert92. And you can find me on Facebook at facebook.com/ColbertTechRepair. See you guys next time.